Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The cherisher, nourisher, and the sustainer of the world. Peace be upon Messenger Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I have many pleasure and privilege to be in front of you in this auspicious and hilarious occasion within a topic AI and Islamic ethics. Dear brothers, we all know that artificial intelligence is changing our world. AI is a tool neither inherently good nor bad, but it depends upon how we use it. AI can perform a remarkable task from diagnosing disease to create smart cities, but it depends upon how we use it. AI can perform remarkable tasks from diagnosing disease to create smart cities, but it also comes with risks such as misuse, discrimination, and potential for dehumanization. By this change, there arises a question about what's right and what's wrong. Dear brothers, Islam is a religion with rich history can help us to answer these questions. Islam teaches us to follow. Islam teaches us to take responsibility for our actions, and also Islam teaches us to follow ethics in every part of life. So let me share how Islamic principles guide us in using AI responsibly. At the beginning, justice and fairness. Justice is one of the most important teachings in Islam. So AI systems should treat everyone equally, no matter their background or any kind of unfairness bias goes against Islamic values. Dear brothers, artificial intelligence is created by humans. So we all know that. So we are responsible for how to use it. Abdullah ibn Umar reported that Prophet Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Ala kullukum ra'in wa kullukum mas'ulun an ra'iyatihi." Each of you is a shepherd, and each of you have a responsible for its flock. This represents AI users, developers, and regulators to bear responsible for its consequences. So we must ensure transparency and accountability to prevent harm. Dear brothers, Islam gives values deeply to the privacy. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Holy Quran, chapter number 49, Surah Al-Ujrat, verse number 12, وَلَا تَجَسَّسُوا وَلَا يَغْتَبْ بَعْضُكُمْ بَعْضًا. Do not spy on another. This signifies the role and responsibility for humans to respect people's private lives. So, AI systems should respect people's private lives. For example, AI tools like facial recognition or data collection must not misuse personal information. So there are challenges about how can we make sure that artificial intelligence is used ethically. The answer is very simple. The scholars, scientists, and communities must work together, and Islamic values like honesty, fairness, and responsibility must guide us how to use AI in a good way. At last, AI is one of the powerful tools, but it depends upon how we use it. If we follow Islamic ethics, then it fosters a good and help us to build a bright future. So let us use AI wisely, always keeping faith and values in our mind. Technology shapes the world, but ethics guide it in the right direction. By saying these words, I conclude. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.